Packed with all the Bosch quality performance features consumers know and love, the 800 series dishwasher helps simplify kitchen cleanup through a number of flexible loading features and a low 42 decibel operation, so consumers can redefine their quiet place in the heart of the home. Bosch recently introduced Crystal Dry to its 800 and Benchmark series dishwashers. This powerful new patented drying technology delivers exceptional drying performance after the final step of the drying cycle to reduce the need for towel or air drying, because that's one less thing you need to worry about in the kitchen. Crystal Dry ensures dishes are as perfectly dry as they are clean. And Bosch is proud to offer this new patented drying technology for 60% better drying results. Crystal Dry naturally transforms moisture into heat of up to 176 degrees, which is gently circulated across dishes for exceptional drying performance. Significantly improving drying results, Bosch dishwashers with Crystal Dry mean you can run the dishwasher with loads of confidence, knowing your dishes will be dinner ready at the end. Tell us what brand of dishwasher you have and the features you like the most in the comments below.